Hey everyone, today we have a great question, and that is, what is the difference between the two verbs act and act on? This is tricky, so let's discuss. Okay, so first, the verb act can have a totally separate meaning, which is very similar to behave, like the way you behave. For example, we could say, don't act like an idiot. So don't behave like an idiot. There are other times when we can use these two verbs in very similar situations. Now with the verb act, the focus with this verb is on the action. It's on doing, just the doing of something. Something needs to be done, there's work that needs to be done, we're gonna do it. So for example, examples like act now, or you need a new job, act now. You need a new place to live, act now. Like do that thing. With the verb act on, the emphasis is more placed on the thing that is pushing you to act. And the object of your preposition, the object of on, is the thing that's pushing you. So here, I'm going to act on the motivation or the issue or the problem, whatever it is, and using on draws attention to the cause of the action. For example, I'm going to act on the advice of my doctor and get more sleep at night. So that advice is pushing me. Or I'm going to act on my feelings and ask that person out on a date. So my feelings are pushing me, and the focus is on that. As always, let me know if you have any questions.